what if you could lighten the load when you're out filming with your Nikon ZR? There you are, happily filming outside, but you soon realise how heavy the camera, the lens, the tripod, batteries and everything else is getting. It's taking up loads of space in your bag and sapping your energy levels. I feel for you because I know what it's like to carry too much gear hiking around, and I know how much not fun it is. But here's the thing, the Nikon ZR has a feature you can use to help with this. It will transform you into a lightweight ZR filmmaker who has an easier, lighter filming life. Here's how. Long press the menu button on the back of the camera and navigate to the video recording menu and scroll down until you get to high-res zoom. Tap to turn that on and then head back to the main screen. Two things have changed. The HR icon here has lit up, and on the left we've got this bar. Slide this bar up to zoom in and slide this bar down to zoom out. The further you slide this up, the faster it goes. So if I just move my finger a little bit, it got a nice slow zoom, and if I move it to the top, we've got a faster zoom. You can get a really professional zoom by just starting off slow and then ramping up a little bit faster and then slowing down towards the end. This takes a bit of practice. I'll show you how to make this even better in a second, but how is this helpful and what are the limitations? Most digital zooms crop in and magnify that cropped area. This usually means lower resolution footage and a slightly blocky, rubbish looking image. High-res zoom on the Nikon ZR is different. It's using all of that sensor data, but just from a smaller portion of the sensor, but without throwing away the pixels you need to keep your image sharp. Instead of using those on-screen controls, you can just move left and right on this little joystick, and that gets you the equivalent zoom in and zooming out. However, when you use this stick method, it's just a one-speed left and right. You can't gradually zoom in or out. We'll get to those limitations as well, but here's the thing. If you don't have a power zoom lens fitted, you can make this even better with just a little bit of camera customization. Hold down the menu button to open up the menus and come down to the custom settings menu. Head into G Video and select G2 Custom Controls. Choose the zoom control, tap that, and then change this from the default PZ power zoom to high-res zoom and head back to the main screen. Here's the great thing, now you can use this rocker control on the top of the ZR to zoom in and zoom out without even having to touch the screen. If you just press the rocker a little bit over, you get a slower zoom, and if you move this rocker further across, you get a faster zoom in or zoom out. But that's not all. Head back into the menus, back into Custom Settings G Video and scroll down until you get to G8, High-Res Zoom Speed. Tap on that and then customize the speed of the digital zoom. This is what it looks like at 5, super quick and snappy, and this is what it looks like at -5. Even if I move that rocker all the way to the side, we get this super slow, cinematic looking steady zoom. There are some limitations you need to be aware of when using high-res zoom on the Nikon ZR. Number 1. With high-res zoom enabled, the focus area is limited to wide area AFL. Also, the focus point won't be displayed. Number 2, when this is on, electronic vibration reduction is disabled and turned off. Number 3, video file types. This feature is limited to ProRes 422 HQ 10-bit, H.265 either 8 or 10-bit, and H.264 8-bit. You can't use this with the RAW recording modes. But what about frame rates and resolutions? You can use this feature with both 4K and Full HD at frame rates from 24 to 60. And if you are using DX crop mode, I'll put on screen the modes you can use. Also, how much you can digitally zoom in depends on your resolution. If you're filming in 4K, you can zoom in to a maximum of 1.4 times, and if you're filming in Full HD, you can zoom in to 2x or double. Transform your ZR skills by watching this playlist next. I'm Jason Roberts, loads of ZR videos coming, so please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.